Hello everyone, and welcome to FixCo Renovation Channel, your go-to place for home renovation, rebuilding tips, and DIY transformations. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a first-time dyer, we're here to inspire you with step-by-step tutorials, pro tricks, and jaw-dropping makeovers. Subscribe to turn your fixer-upper into a dream home. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new project. Comment below what's the one thing you'd love to renovate in your home. Let's build something amazing together. Self-leveling C refers to materials or systems that automatically settle into a flat, smooth surface without requiring extensive manual intervention. Here are the key aspects. 1. Self-leveling compounds flooring. Purpose used to create smooth, flat substrates before installing floor coverings, tile, vinyl, hardwood, etc. Types: cementitious Portland cement based for concrete subfloors, gypsum based for interior use, faster drying, polymer modified, enhanced flexibility and adhesion. Applications: fixing uneven floors, filling cracks, or preparing surfaces for finishes. Process: poured as a liquid, then spreads and levels itself due to gravity. 2. Self-leveling tools and devices. Laser levels automatically level laser beams for construction alignment. Spirit levels: some have self-adjusting vials for accuracy. Machinery: certain platforms or lift auto level and slopes. Self-leveling and technology. Drones, cameras use gyroscopes to stabilize footage or position. Vehicles: advanced suspensions adjust to terrain, for example, luxury cars. Key benefits: saves time versus manual leveling. Achieves high precision. Substrate must be properly prepared, clean, primed. Limited thickness per pore, often approximately 1 inch.